All right, let's talk about the wood chop. It's gonna be a dumbbell wood chop, going high to low, low to high. Okay, as I'm standing facing you, feet are about shoulder width apart. I'm gonna be turning side to side. So I'm gonna pivot what will be my back foot, turn my hips. Okay, so that's gonna be your lower body action. When I'm down and low, okay, it's kind of like a little twisted quarter split squat or lunge. Okay, and my arms straight out in front of me. So head, shoulders, hips straight in a line, arms straight out in front of my chest. That dumbbell is going to land just in front at the low end of my bottom end of my quad. So down here, bottom end of my quad, and then I'm going to chop to the top. So I pivoted my toes, turned my hips, fully extended this hip. I'm standing tall now, and dumbbell is up and away, and straight in front of me. So chop down, chop high, chop down. Okay, pivot and turn. Your core is responsible for slamming on the brakes to get down here, to get back up to the top, accelerating, decelerating, and chopping low, chopping high. Okay, make sure you get both sides on this. Pivoting low on the other side, and chopping high and away. So get after that wood chop, get strong, be better. We'll see you soon.